Greetings and welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be talking about the state of the wish fulfilled. Now, if you have been studying Neville's teachings, you have probably come across the phrase state of the wish fulfilled. The state of the wish fulfilled is a state you should be living in order to realize a desire, and is a state necessary for manifestation in the law of assumption. And it is something that Neville Goddard mentions in his lectures all the time. But what is this state? How should I feel if I live in the state of the wish fulfilled? Now, don't worry, because in this video I will explain both of these matters, so stay until the end, and by the end of the video you will know for sure what the state of the wish fulfilled is and how to feel during this state. Also, I am going to be explaining everything in just 3 minutes, so if you enjoy small and concise videos about manifestation in a nutshell, please consider subscribing, liking and turning on the notification bell. But now, let's get started. What is the feeling of the wish fulfilled? The feeling of the wish fulfilled simply means that you feel as if your desire has already been manifested and that you have the desire right now. So, when you assume the state of the wish fulfilled, you should have the realization that your desire is already manifested and is within your life right now. For example, if you want to manifest your dream car, you feel as if you already have it. Now, how should I feel if I am in the state of the wish fulfilled? All you have to do is ask yourself how you would feel if your desire was already manifested. How would you feel if you had your dream car? How would you feel if you had your specific person? How would you feel if you were a successful millionaire? Now, if you are in the state of the wish fulfilled, it is important to realize that you need to stop craving for your desire because you already have it. Any sense of desire about the manifestation should be gone because you have already manifested the desire. Maybe you feel a sense of accomplishment. Maybe a sense of satisfaction or relief, or maybe you feel completely natural. No matter what you feel, you should be experiencing a feeling that the desire has been manifested. Now, after grasping this feeling, try to hold it for as long as possible. This feeling will become natural, and the only thing to do is to dwell in this state of the wish fulfilled. Now, if you dwell in this state for long enough, then the desire has no choice but to manifest. And that was the end of our video. Stay tuned for the next one.